So now I will tell you some rules, regels, which will help you in remembering and memorizing the spelling for Meervoud version. So let's suppose we have got a word start, and the Meervoud spelling for the start is straten. The straten. Start is a singular and foud, and the meervoud is the straten. Now if you see that we have got two klinkers, two r's in the word start. So if here, for example here, t is followed by a long klinker, by double vowels, that is a consonant is followed Medeklinker here instead of consonant, or maybe I can write if a Medeklinker is followed by a longer klinker. Longer klinker is double vowels. For example, in this case we have got double A. Then in the meervoud, that is in the plural form, we only write one klinker. So the start becomes straten because R is followed by two klinkers. R is followed by double vowels, a consonant, that is R, which is a Medeklinker, is followed by a longer klinker, double vowels. Then in the meervoud, we only write one klinker. Similarly, let's suppose we have got do's. So do's become dozen. Boom, which is a tree, becomes bowman. So two vowels or two klinkers are converted into one klinker, and we add en at the end. And we have already discussed that most of the sentences have or most of the meervoud don't have en at the end. Only the words which end with e, el, en, em, er and ie, they get s at the end. And if the word ends with r, e, o, u and I, then we have got apostrophe s. So this was rule 1, regel n. Now regel 2. Let's suppose we have got a word tas, the tas, and the meervoud of the tas is tassen, T-A-S-S-A-N, tassen. So here, if we have got one klinker, that is a in the word, then we add two Medeklinkers after it. So T-A-S becomes T-A-S-S-A-N. So the rule is, if we have gotten one klinker which is followed by one klinker is called the quarter klinker, one vowel, and we call it quarter klinker. Small, quart is small, quarter klinker, which is followed by a Medeklinker, then we add another Medeklinker after it. So tas becomes tassen, man becomes man, manan. So there is a quarter klinker, and we have added double Medeklinkers after it. Similarly, boat becomes button. So this is rule number 2. Regel 2. Another rule is, you will see that in Dutch most of the singular words, many of the singular words ends with F or S. So if a word in its singular form is ended with F, then in the meervoudig form we add V, and if it ends with S, then we add Z. For example, the brief is a letter and brieven are more than one letters. So F is replaced by V, fe. Similarly, a house, it is replaced by hausen with Z. So if a letter ends if a word ends with F in the singular form, then we have to add fe instead of F, and instead of S we add Z. So these were the 3 regels.